Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the rugged trait. This powerful trait is a must-have for any player utilizing summons, as it dramatically increases their survivability. You'll begin your journey to acquire it by heading to the vibrant, yet dangerous world of Yisha. Specifically, you need to find a particular event within the Forgotten Field, a key location for this unique unlock. It's an essential upgrade. Once in the Forgotten Field, you'll encounter a root nexus that has an unfortunate NPC trapped within its grasp. Your primary objective is to destroy this root nexus while simultaneously fending off waves of aggressive enemies. It's crucial to protect the captive NPC throughout this challenging horde event. Prioritize damaging the nexus, but always keep an eye on the NPC's safety. After successfully clearing the area and destroying the root nexus, the most important step is to ensure the NPC, named Lick, has survived. If he's still standing, immediately approach him. He will be grateful for your intervention and will want to speak with you. This conversation is vital for progressing towards obtaining the trait, so do not leave the area prematurely. To finally claim your reward, you must exhaust all available dialogue options with Lick. He has quite a story to tell, so be patient and listen through everything he has to say. Once his dialogue is complete, he will bestow upon you the rugged trait. This trait is incredibly beneficial, capable of increasing the health of your archetype summons by up to 100% at its maximum level.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.